Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel Fubo TV subscription on mobile. Now first, if you have an iPhone, you should first navigate to your settings, and after that you should click on your profile icon on the top. Then what you should do is to simply click on subscriptions right here, and after you click on subscriptions, it will jump you directly to another page which will include all the subscriptions that you have, and you will find here Fubo TV subscription. All you have to do is to just cancel it. But this is only if you have an iPhone. What if you have an Android? If you have an Android, it's very simple also. All you should do is to navigate to your browser, then search for Fubo TV website and log in into your account. Then once you log in, you should now click on your profile, click on my profile right here. And after that, you'll have to click on my account on the top left corner. Once you click on my account, you will find this page. From the top right here, you should choose subscription. Once you choose subscription, it will show you here a message saying cancel trial. But this is only if you are subscribed to the trial. Let's say that you are subscribed to another plan. If you subscribe to a plan, you should scroll down till you find these two options right here, pause or cancel. You can pause your subscription, and this is actually a good feature from Fubo, and you can also cancel your subscription. So if you want to cancel it, just click on the cancel button right here. After that, it will show if you are sure you want to cancel your subscription, just click on the down button end subscription. And after that, they will try to offer you a special offer just in order to keep you as a customer for them. You just have to click on continue to cancel. And after that, it will show you this page and it will tell you that the cancellation is confirmed. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.